By the end of this video, you will know everything about supply chain management in Canada, the salaries that you will get, the education that you need to take, everything. Just sit back and enjoy the video till the end. This is going to be an interesting one. What is a supply chain? Okay, your everyday products that you use, be it a soap that you wash your hands with, or your new iPhone, or whatever it is, has come down into your hands through a flow of processes which is known as a supply chain. In today's business world, businesses do not compete with businesses. Rather, supply chains compete against supply chains. Logistics is another term used to refer to the management of the flow of products from its point of origin to the final consumer. In Canada, there are more jobs in this sector than there are skilled graduates. Logistics specialists find the most cost-friendly ways of using the company's resources. They are the ones responsible for moving material, people, energy, and data in large companies. Time for a fun fact. A large cargo ship uses 150 to 250 tons of fuel per day, requiring as much fuel per kilometer as 3,770 smart cars. Alright, do you like to figure out how to make things better? Do you like making plans and putting them into action? Would you like to help increase profitability of a company? I'm going to tell you the education that leads to careers that includes logistics, transportation, warehousing, exporting, procurement, planning, and forecasting. In Canada, you will find programs with the name of Business Administration, Supply Chain and Operations Management, which is usually an advanced diploma of 3 years, comprising of 6 semesters. You also have the option of a 2-year diploma that only entails 4 semesters. A bachelor degree in commerce or business administration will have specializations in supply chain management. The subjects that you study are very real-world concepts that are the demand of the industry. The biggest container ships can hold 745 million bananas in 15,000 containers. That's one for every European. When you are looking for jobs, extra skills and certifications do matter. One such certification that you will gain to put on your resume is Microsoft Office Specialist Excel certification. How much you will earn? Graduates of business supply chain and operations are prepared to enter the supply chain fieldwork for trading houses, importers and exporters, customs brokers, freight forwarders, and transportation providers. Export clerk makes usually around $39,000 annually. Inventory analyst makes $51,000. Inventory clerks $30,000 to $33,000 annually. Materials and logistics coordinator $39,000. QS ISO quality system specialist. Merchandise control clerk $39,000. Quality assurance analyst $48,000. Quality manager $82,500. SAP enterprise resource planning specialist $39,000. Transportation coordinator $47,000 to $52,000. Shipper and receiver $34,000. Operations coordinator $46,000. Procurement specialist $65,000. Purchasing agent, who is an individual that sources and purchases finished goods and materials as a consultant or for their employer, $49,000 to $52,000. Inventory manager $45,000 to $67,000. Purchasing operations manager $78,000. Production manager $75,000. Productions or operations supervisor $56,000 to $62,000. Operations manager $69,000. Finally, a supply chain manager makes somewhere from $70,000 to $84,000. Okay, apart from the salaries, let me tell you about few additional advantages. These programs are usually accredited by the Canadian Supply Chain Sector Council. You also get to network with professionals from the industry because the institutions work in partnerships with professional associations such as Supply Chain Canada, Association for Supply Chain Management, through which you can become certified in production and inventory management, Ontario Public Buyers Association, Canadian Institute of Traffic and Transportation. There's more. Practical experience is given to you in SAP, which is a software for handling businesses' processes. My advice to you is to get part-time jobs or summer jobs, handling materials in a warehouse or working in a clerical department at a warehouse while you study the program. This will give a jump start to your career while still studying. If you find value in the video, I will appreciate you liking the video and sharing it with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that. Also comment below so that I can interact with you and hear your opinions. Finally, a piece of motivation for life. Remember that you are unique and better at something from others, although you do not know about it. Bring out that uniqueness. As Naval Ravikant says, sing the song that only you can sing, write the book that only you can write, build the product that only you can build, and live the life that only you can live. My name is Yogesh and you are watching Young Students Abroad.